intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? So today is going to be another SHEIN haul. I got a combination of all sorts of things, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so this is some sort of foam mount, I think, or not. Even though it doesn't look like it, I guess your phone is supposed to fit in there, and then this can go on like any pole. So I will put it like on this pole here. Oh, well, that pole's too small, so that wouldn't work. Yeah, I'll have to play around with it and see if it actually works. Okay, next. All messed up. Alright, the next thing I got is a banana slicer. I love sliced bananas, but I hate slicing them. So I saw this and I was like, oh, we have to try this. Oh my gosh. So this, I love cherries. And this is supposed to get rid of the seed in the middle. I don't have any cherries right now. Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job at demonstrating these things, but I'm hoping these work. Now, I don't really know why I ordered this. I don't know if maybe I was thinking I could do some sort of Halloween makeup tutorial using it, or I just think I'm a queen and need a tiara, but they have tiaras on SHEIN, and you know, I thought I deserved one. It's really pretty. It's gold with rhinestones and pink rhinestones. Okay. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but who knows if I'm wearing it right. Oh, I do like how I look in a tiara though. We might just keep this on for a minute. Alright, so I got some jewelry. The first thing I got was this really pretty butterfly ring. Now, I don't remember them having sizes. Okay, so it is adjustable. Ooh, it has pink in it too. Ooh. How pretty is that? Let me see if I can put it on this one and make it smaller. Not really. I guess it would do better just stretching it out as opposed to making it smaller. And no. Oh, this must be a bracelet. Okay. Very pretty. Does that match my tiara? I got some heart earrings. Let me try these babies on. Ooh. I feel like I'm a 12-year-old playing dress up with my tiara and my heart earrings. Okay, those are really pretty. So this is something I think I got for possibly a Halloween tutorial. I'm not really sure what it would be. Maybe like a fairy or butterfly, but it looks pretty. We'll see how pretty it looks in person. It's actually not bad. that would be cute for like a festival or something. Okay. Alright, so this is a little ear cuff. Super cute. I really like that. And then this is just a really simple star necklace. So I also got one of these ponytail holder cups. And this one does open, and I just think they're like so elegant and look really cute with a super high ponytail. Now I got a few clothing items. The first one typically isn't my like style, but I just thought it was a really pretty dress and wanted to try it. So it's off the shoulder, it's a little bit past the knee, and it does have a little wiring here at the V-neck. Alright, and I got this in a size large. Let me go try her on. Okay, the dress itself I think is really pretty. I just don't think it's very flattering. It's just like drawing all the attention to my little pooch right here. I am on my period, so I'm a little bloated, but I don't know. I think the top part is really cute. I just, One more thing I did get was a belt. So let me see what it would look like with the belt on. Yeah, that makes no difference. But the belt is super cute. But the dress, not a fan of. So next I got this, ooh, that looks really big. This tie-dye mini dress. What size did I get? Oh, an extra large. I should have gotten a large. I have a feeling this is going to be way too big. But let me try it on, we'll see. Okay, so it definitely is big. It's like starting to fall down, but I'm thinking that if I, run it through the dryer a few times, maybe it will shrink. And because it is like, I guess, a bodycon dress, it doesn't look too horrible that it's a little bit big. And I think it just looks super cute with this white denim jacket. But let me show you what it looks like without it. We need to stop acting like SHEIN is Wish and ordering a size bigger on everything, because for the most part, all the things I've tried are true to size. So here is the tie-dye dress. Alright, next I got these pants. So these are, I got an extra large, damn it, Natalie. These are like crocodile leggings, kind of like faux leather leggings, but they're not really a faux leather material. They're just like a regular kind of cloth material with that design. And they do have slits at the bottom. I hope these aren't too big. They might be. And I also got, I'm so excited for this. This is a coat. A houndstooth, like, cape coat thing. So I'll just try this on with the black pants and I'll be back. I am in love with this coat. Oh my gosh, I love these types of kind of cape coats. Oh, it's a really nice, like, thick material. Oh, I love it. The pants, way too big. They're huge on me. Like, I mean, they would have been cute if they actually fit, but I need to stop ordering bigger sizes. But this jacket, oh, definitely my favorite item of the entire order. Like, one of the only things that actually fits. And I think I saw one more thing. Yes. So this is to hold purses, I believe. Yeah, I can hold up to 4 different purses. Do I have any here? No. And there is one thing, I didn't get it from SHEIN, I got it from Amazon, but I'm going to try it on real quick. So I got this black tulle skirt. Let me try it on. I am loving this skirt. So this, I did get an extra large. I probably could have went with a large in this as well, but I think this is so cute and can go with so many different things. Yes, super cute. Alright guys, so that was everything that I got from SHEIN. I'm really disappointed that like the majority of the clothes were too big, but that's my own fault for ordering a bigger size. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.